Mr. James Grindley is also with us at FIAR 2013. Welcome.
Thank you very much.
What edition is this for you at FIAR?
I think the first one I came to was 2007, so this is what, 5 or 6, 6 I think.
It's been a while now.
Yeah, I'm a regular,
Yes.
and I enjoy it. I think it's a very good conference.
We like to call it traditional partner of FIAR.
Very happy to be.
How is the forum developing in your point of view?
I think that the market is developing reasonably well. It had a little bit of growth this year on last year, the first quarter. I'm happy to see that some of the non-motor classes are also growing because they're much more profitable and sustainable than a lot of the competitive motor business. Ceturtig, though, is looking outside Romania as well. We have an office now in Bulgaria, which we opened a couple of months ago. And we also continue very successfully with our office in Istanbul, which supports our marine and aviation underwriting.
And what's your next target?
Well, our target for 2013 is to underwrite 14 million euros of gross written premium. Last year we underwrote 10 million euros, so a 40% increase, which is ambitious, but I think realistic. In 2011, our gross written premium was just under 7 million, so it grew from 7 to 10 million, which is about 43%. So we plan to continue with the same momentum.
And what about opening a new office, maybe in the near future?
Well, I think let's see how the Sofia office does. Let's see, slowly but surely. We have a conservative approach. We want to underwrite the non-motor classes there. So opening other offices, I mean, possibly in Romania, because we've been successful with the corporate classes of business, working with brokers, and certainly the regional brokers in Romania have been keen for us to open offices in other districts of the country. But it has to be justified. It has to be sustainable.
Speaking about brokers, because we had yesterday the Brokers' Day,
Yes.
and you are a partner
Yes.
as every year. What is your strategy for this year when it comes to partnership with brokers?
Well, more than 90% of our business, as you know, comes through brokers. So our strategy is to continue to grow that. I mean, if it becomes 100%, so be it. That would be great. We don't have a network of agents competing against brokers. That wouldn't be logical for us. We see brokers as our partners, as you mentioned. They're our friends. I mean, they bring the business to us. The question is to keep brokers loyal. But we do that by responding quickly to their requests for quotations. We pay valid claims quickly. So that gives brokers confidence to recommend Ceturtig to their clients, which is very important. And this is how we work with brokers.
And I also know that you offer specific products that not any company can offer.
Indeed, for example, last week we had a share of the insurance for Depeche Mode. They were here in Bucharest, in Romania. We insured the concert for liability and also for cancellation. So a sort of very unique product that is quite common in Western Europe and North America. So we're keen to bring new products to the market to diversify the portfolio.
And because you've told us about Depeche Mode, I know they've cancelled the concert in Istanbul, right?
Yes, I understood actually from one of your colleagues. I think Adriana told me yesterday that they cancelled this concert in. I don't know. It was not Ceturtig, and it was cancelled because of a strike by the Bulgarian customs and the border control. So the trucks with the equipment could not arrive in Turkey in time.
In Romania as well?
Well, had it happened in Romania, we would have probably had a claim.
Oh my God! And what would have been the claim? What would be the amount?
For our share, several €100,000. So quite not huge. We've paid larger claims, but it would have been a significant claim from an unusual class of business.
So it's quite a risk.
Yeah, I think I would say that I would compliment our underwriters and say that they selected very well. Perhaps we're a little bit lucky.
You need a little bit of luck in this business. Yeah. Coming back to FIAR here, you took part to our reinsurance workshop earlier. How was it? It was our first year for this kind of workshop. So how was it in your opinion?
Well, I thought it was a very good seminar. There are a number of very interesting presentations about reinsurance companies and their different strategies in the region. Each strategy was quite unique and different from the others. And the overall questions posed by the chairman was whether there's enough reinsurance in Romania, are we reinsured enough? I think the answer, different people gave different answers. And my opinion is that we will only know if there's enough reinsurance when we have a very large claim. I hope that we don't have a big earthquake. I think a flood cannot be so big, but a big earthquake would be very very problematic for the markets, and I think a number of players probably are under-reinsured. Speaking about Cetasig, we have very good reinsurance, and we don't have so much physical damage exposure, so earthquakes wouldn't affect us so much.
That's good to know.
Yeah, that's good for you to know, and for our brokers and clients too.